Hello, and welcome to Soda Review Channel, where today we'll be drinking this Canada Dry Ginger Ale Cranberry. Now, like the other ginger ales that we reviewed recently, I have had this before. And that's a color. I don't actually pour these into the glass usually, so I don't always get to see the color. That looks like the liquid flavored medicine that you give to children because they don't know how to take pills yet. It is, I would describe it as a red-orange color. It has pretty good clarity. It's almost more of a pink-red color when I put a light behind it. So the orange is subtle, but it's definitely there. This one, not that fizzy. I would say it was less fizzy than the original ginger ale, but that could be down to individual variants in the canning. It's not a huge difference. Okay, I am getting a little bit of that ginger ale smell, just a little bit, and there's something else. What is that? It's definitely a fruit smell. I'm not certain it's cranberry, but it's definitely a fruit smell. Let's see if I can get that again. I would say it's at least similar to cranberry. Almost more like a cherry though. Now, the blackberry ginger ale tasted a lot like artificial grape. If this one just tastes like artificial cherry, I'm going to be very annoyed. Here we go. I'm gonna need some more of that. You ever drink the syrup out of the cherry jar after you take the cherries out of it? Kind of tastes like that, which isn't bad. It doesn't really taste like cranberries. Now, the problem with that is that cranberry is a super strong flavor that a lot of people really don't like. And so even stuff that has cranberry juice in it, which, before I say this, make sure it's true, which this does not, often does not taste very much like cranberries. So I can't say with certainty that there is no cranberry flavor in this, but I can say that there's definitely not much. While I was looking for that, I saw something very interesting here. So unlike the blackberry, and the regular ginger ale. This does not have caramel color in it. It does have red 40, which you would expect, but it also has blue 1. Why? It's like a red-orange color. You know what? Which dye they put in it is not that important unless you're allergic to it. I would say it tastes more like cherry than it does like cranberry. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have cranberry in it. This did originally, at least as I saw it, come in a winter pack. So maybe they did cranberry because it's wintry, it's seasonal. But they didn't actually want to make it taste like cranberry because a lot of people do not like cranberry. I don't know. I feel like if you saw that this was cranberry flavor and you hate cranberries, you just wouldn't drink it anyway without even checking to see. But it doesn't really taste like artificial cherry. It tastes more like real cherry flavor. Which is weird. Not that it just tastes like that. It also has a little bit of that hint of ginger ale, which makes sense because this is Canada Dry ginger ale, which is a fairly weak ginger ale. So it makes sense if you added some additional flavor to it. The ginger ale flavor would be quite a bit weaker, and that's what we have here. But the combination of those flavors is making it taste a little like medicine, I think. Not a lot, just a little, although its appearance may be contributing to that. I may be imagining that. That said, I think I've gotten that from it before, and I've never poured a glass of it before. I've always had it out of the can where the color is a lot less obvious. So I do think there probably is a little bit of that there. It's almost like a slight bitterness towards the end of it. Just a bit. I wouldn't say it's enough to ruin it, but I also don't think it's that amazing to start with. It's just kind of fine. We're not done with these ginger ale videos, so I do hope they improve. But this one, like the regular ginger ale and like the blackberry flavor, which does not taste like blackberries, I'm still annoyed about that. I'm gonna have to give it an okay.